The next ones which I have been talking about, this 400 and 800, they all are going to be brought directly over here. They will be first tested. After they are tested only, then they will be allowed to walk out of the port limits. Otherwise, they are not allowed to come out of the port limits.
When is the vessel expected, sir?
The next one, the earliest one is 30th May. That is called the Ovations of the Sea, but the date is not confirmed. But it will be around the 30th of May that Ovations of the Sea will be calling Goa.
Thank you.